If you've ever felt nervous using WhatsApp, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp step by step, from sending your very first message to sharing photos, voice notes, documents, and even deleting a message if you make a mistake. First, look for the green WhatsApp icon on your phone. Tap it once to open. When WhatsApp opens, you'll see a list of your conversations. This is where all your messages are stored. To send a new message, then select the person you'd like to contact. Tap the message button, usually found in the bottom corner of your screen. Type your message, and when you're ready, tap the green send button. Would you like to send a photo? Simply tap the paperclip icon. From there, you can choose Gallery to select an existing photo, or Camera to take a new one right away. Select your photo, then tap Send. Voice messages are one of the easiest ways to communicate. Press and hold the microphone icon, speak your message clearly, and then release your finger to send it. You can also send documents. Tap the paperclip again, choose Document, select the file you want to share, and tap Send. If you ever send a message by mistake, don't worry. Press and hold the message, then tap Delete. WhatsApp may seem unfamiliar at first, but once you know these simple steps, it becomes one of the most useful apps on your phone. Remember, you are not behind. You are learning, growing, and becoming more confident every single day. If you'd like more simple step-by-step technology lessons, subscribe and explore my other videos. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way.